Hey guys, it's Min Young from Bobby and Bambi's. I am so excited to tell you all about Bobby and Bambi's dog food and dog treat recipe membership. Every first of the month, members will receive 4 brand new recipes. I show members how to make veterinary, nutritionist, formulated, and approved home-cooked meals. I also share dog treat recipes created by me and that are gluten, wheat, or grain-free. There are a variety of treat categories and there's definitely something for everybody. I'm happy to announce the recipe membership is open worldwide. Amazing, right? Here's exactly what members will be receiving in the membership. But before I begin, I just have to state this disclaimer. I'm not a veterinarian or certified pet nutritionist. I'm an everyday dog mom and have been cooking and baking for my dogs for over 13 years. Everything in this video and membership is based on my own experiences. Please consult your veterinarian or certified pet nutritionist before trying any of these recipes or introducing your dog to new foods and supplements. Now, let's get right back into it. I've been receiving ever since I started this channel is, can you share your dog food recipes? Like I've said, I've been cooking for my dogs for 13 years. I just love cooking food for them. Not only because they love it, but because of all the benefits that they receive from just simply cooking home-cooked meals. In the membership, I'll show members where and how to create customized veterinary nutritionist approved and formulated recipes so you can safely home-cook balanced meals for your dog. My friends, the keywords here are veterinarian, nutritionist approved, and balanced. These recipes are formulated by veterinary nutritionist professionals who are board certified and are the experts in canine and feline health. You want to make sure the meals you're cooking are balanced so your dogs can thrive. Prolonged missing ingredients can be detrimental to your dog's health. Believe me when I tell you, cooking for my dogs have transformed their health and overall well-being. I provide instructions where to purchase supplements. Don't worry, I am not sponsored, affiliated, or paid to talk about these supplements. I just simply love using it. And home-cooked meals are definitely not the only option out there. I'm just sharing what has worked for my dogs after trying out a variety of diet options. I know you also might be thinking, I don't have time for this. Or isn't it a lot of effort? Yes, I'm gonna be real with you. It is going to take more time than walking to the store or shopping on the internet to buy pet food. But once you get into it, find your groove, it's like second nature. I make a 7-day batch and it only takes me 15 to 20 minutes to make 14 servings per dog per week. I also want to make this as easy as possible for you as well. So please don't think you have to cook a meal every single day and for each serving, because that is so not the case. Trust me, you will not miss the convenience of simply scooping commercial dog food into their bowls. All dog treat recipes are created by yours truly. I've been baking for my dogs for over a decade and have owned a dog bakery business for 7 years. And so I've created a lot of recipes over the years and I'm so happy to share them with you. Not only will I be sharing the recipes that I've come up with over the decade, I'm also excited to experiment and create new recipes as well as also take suggestions from you guys. The membership is set up like a food blog with treat categories like biscuits and cookies, soft and chewy, baked goods, birthday, etc. Each category will build a recipe library where members can easily search for recipes. All recipes are all natural, gluten, wheat, or grain-free, made with organic ingredients with no preservatives or additives. There really is no better feeling than knowing what exactly you're feeding to your dogs. This is a dream of mine to create a community of dog parents to support and lift each other up. What better way to do that than with dogs, food, and treats, right? As a community, we can come together, share pictures of our dogs, our treats, recipe outcomes, as well as asking questions about baking, recipe tips, ingredient substitution, and so on. The dog food and treat recipe membership will have a community inside of the membership site as well as our own private Facebook group. You can find the current membership pricing and the link to sign up in the description box below. Well, that's it for this video today, and I hope you're excited as I am to get into the kitchen and make and bake wholesome food and treats for your dog. Please reach out to me if you have any questions about the membership at minyoung@bobbyandbambi.com or on Instagram at Bobby and Bambi's Dog Bakery. I hope to see you inside Bobby and Bambi's Dog Food and Treat membership. Bye!